Hello, I'm Othai in the United States. We are at the mower store. My husband take the old mower, 20 years old, to this store to get a new one. I don't know if we're gonna get trade, but nothing. He said it's okay. He would like to get rid of this one. It is not working properly as the age is 20 years. And he talked with the seller what they have in store today. The seller explains and then he picked this one. The cost is like $499 something with the box. I call box. I don't know what you guys call. Maybe you call bag. To carry the mulch. My husband said, I don't want that bag, but it attached to the mower, so we must have it. The solution is we can take it out if we want the mulch on the ground and everything good. The person filling the oil dropped in some part that caused smoke so much as you see in the beginning. And then when come back home, we went there on Monday and my husband said he was going to mow the lawn on Saturday, but it was raining on Saturday. And then on Sunday was very bright, nice sky, but windy. I asked him if he would mow the lawn. He said, let's see if later the wind is less than in the morning. And yeah, he mowed the lawn. It is easier starting, of course, because it is a brand new mower. I push a little and I think about the mower in North Dakota that my mother-in-law has it. Lighter. My husband said it is different and we just pick what in the store that we went. So what we get is good now. I told him we may use this another 10 years. That means we are going to be 60 years old. He replied back, the old one he used for 20 years, so this one must be the same or longer. We'll see. I would like to get the drive mower. I think it is easier using and less tired because we just drive, we didn't push. Recently, he just like to use the push one for exercising. And our yard is small. It doesn't need to use the drive mower yet because the cost is very much expensive when compared with the push thing. I can stand outside for a short while and then I would like to stay longer. I get in the house, put my jacket on, my hat on, and check at the flower dogwood. Very windy. I plan to fly the drone, but as you see, the wind condition is not good for my drone to fly. When I fly over the roof, it's gonna be shaking and I'm sure the system will warn windy strong wind. It is good to have a new mower, easier pushing, cutting grass, and pretty nice day, bright sky, fully bloom, dogwood. I think about the pink one. We have white dogwood, very pretty. Let's enjoy the rest of my video. Walk around, and I help my husband working in the garden a little bit. The earlier we hiring people to do pruning, adding stones and everything in front of the house as you see here, and then the side of the house look pretty and clean. Now the weed starting to grow again, and I try to take them out of the ground, and I can't do completely or out because sit and up and sit and up, that caused me very tired. I was thinking about the lady who took the grass out of the ground. She pulled the block out first, and then she took the grass in between the gap. I can't stay like that so long. One hand hold the camera and one hand pulling the grass because the wind knocked my camera on the ground twice. Little bit under ourสั่งอาหารมากินจ้า Oh, I forgot to take the can back. Order Japanese today. Deep fried chicken and deep fried pork. One bento with rice and I cook my rice and then we share the curry. The bush in the corner after trimming looks nicer with the curve. Pretty sky, right? Very blue and sunny but cold wind. Thank you for watching and listening. Have a good day.